by far one of the most interesting things to me is the misconceptions that foreigners have about Jamaica. And recently I had an encounter with an American, and here's a question he asked me. So to backtrack, it was a Lyft ride. I grabbed a Lyft ride, I was heading home, and the Lyft driver said to me, "Are you from Jamaica?" As we were conversing. That in the vehicle I said, "Good morning," and so on and so on. He's like, "Where you from?" I'm like, "I'm from Jamaica." He's like, "Oh, interesting. I have all these other questions I wanted to ask a Jamaican." I'm like, "Really? Go ahead, what is it?" So his question was, brace for it, his question was, does all Jamaicans smoke weed? So after getting a good laugh out, I said to him, no, not all Jamaicans smoke weed, nor does all Jamaicans are Rastas, and all Jamaicans do not say BBC. He laughed, I laughed, and then he followed up to say and asked me, does weed grow naturally in Jamaica? So I'm like, not to my knowledge, I'm not sure. He's like, but you're from Jamaica. If it doesn't grow naturally there, that means it doesn't grow naturally anywhere. I said, no, actually, weed is not native to Jamaica, right? So do a Google search, and maybe where it's native, it grows naturally there. So said so, then he did the Google, right? The Google search, and it came up that it's native to Central Asia, and it does grow naturally there. So I learned something and he learned something. But it's just always fascinating whenever someone asks or have misconceptions about Jamaica.